Alright, here we are. As you can see, this is my Tron dashboard, Tronlink wallet dashboard. Now, initially, what I was supposed to use for this class was the Trust wallet, but then when I opened my Tronlink wallet, I realized that I still have some coins in there that I used for my former class last year, and if you can see on the dashboard, it's 1,255 point something trons, and it's worth $168. After the class, when I left these coins on this wallet, it was worth about $30 something, but now over time it has grown up to this level. So that's another thing holding crypto. So it has been there, just like you keeping your money in your bank account, and it grows over time. But then what crypto gives you, the bank will never ever do that, never. So that's one thing. Saving with crypto is more important than with the banks. Alright, let's push through. Like you can see, we are on the first icon, bottom screen, which are assets. So what is on this wallet now are trons. So if we move to the next, which is the market, second icon, bottom screen, you can see that with the trons I have, I can actually swap it to USD Theta, which is a stable coin, or to any other coin that I choose, maybe to Bitcoin or something else. But that is not what I want to do now. So the next icon is discover. This has to do with news and new opportunities that are found within the wallet, so you can also get updates from there. And then the last thing, bottom of the screen, is mine. The mine now has to do with your account, the settings, and all the likes. So these are personalized. And also, like the link I sent on the group, here it is, friends invitation. So if you click on it, you can actually invite a friend if you want to. So it's loading. Alright, so this is a link you can actually copy. These are people who are leading in terms of referrals, so the platform shows you and all the like, so you can explore that on your own. Okay, let's quickly move back. Still on assets. So you have the two main buttons at the top, which is the send. Now if you want to send coins to someone, you can see transfer account. Your wallet address is already there. What you'll be putting is a receiver's wallet address, and then the currency is Tron. You put the amount, the fee will be shown, and then we proceed. So but now we'll do something like this, but not in this video. So let's get back. You take the next, receive. So if you want to receive, you can see it's my wallet, that's my name on it. So you might want to personalize yours too. So you can copy the wallet address and send to someone. The person will use it to send you coins. We'll get to it. Also you have freeze and unfreeze coins, energy. Now with this, you have swap, changing one coin to another. It takes you directly to the marketplace, bottom screen, so it's the same. You have votes. I'll be explaining this later. And then you have assets. So you can actually add the assets you have. But as of now, I have just one on this wallet, which is strong. So all my assets. And that's it for this first session.